guys, Mike from Jaa Moto, and today we're going to be looking at fitting frame protectors on the Honda CRF300L 2026. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so there we have it. We've got the left and right frame protector, cable ties for strapping it down, and then that's the little cover that goes on the brake master cylinder. I've just got a few tools. You just need an Allen key and a knife for cutting the cable ties. So to begin with, I think we've got to remove an Allen bolt. So this goes on here, but there's an Allen bolt that has to be removed. I think it's a 6mm. Yep. So we take the 6mm bolt out. Quite tight that actually. I suspect it's been Loctited. Yep. Okay. So pop that on there and put the Allen bolt back in. A little tricky with the Loctite, but we're getting there. Okay. So cable tie. I'm going to try and hide the coupling on the cable tie, yeah, so I can slide that round. I'll snug that up and then carefully chop off the end of the cable tie and just turn it round so it's out of sight. That's better. And then another cable tie around here. A little tricky to get in, but there we go. Oh yeah. Not particularly good design. Difficult to get it located correctly. I'll take a close-up photograph of that. Not ideal. So, yeah, I do believe that's not going to stay on. We need to revisit that. Yeah, I don't think that's a particularly good design, to be honest with you. I think we're just going to have to leave that cable tie off the bracket, or the bolt holding the the Allen bolt is adequate to secure, I think. So maybe a bit of a design fault there. But, never mind. So I'll just nip that up and then we'll turn the bike round and go on the other side. So, yeah, quite tight going in there. Almost done. Okay, that does. And then let's go flick round to the other side. Okay, so we've flipped it round. Now we just want to pop this one on. So that all lines up okay. I don't like the alignment for these cable ties. It's not ideal. There's a big lug behind the frame here. I'm not sure whether this is going to fit properly. Okay, that should be okay. Again, there's something in the way here. Yeah. So, I'm hoping we can get there with this. Something like. Yeah, a little bit tricky to get these cable ties in position. Hopefully that'll do it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so there we go. I just need to trim off the bits here. My Leatherman's coming to the end of its life, so it's not particularly sharp. Oh, let's have a look, one more. Okay, job done, pretty simple task. Hi guys, Mike from Jaa Moto here again. Simple task today. I'm just going to fit the frame protectors on the left and right hand side, and there's a little protector that goes on the brake. Yeah, on the master cylinder. So yeah, I'll just show you the parts and then we'll crack on.